Hey guys, welcome to Recipe Time. Today we're going to be making some crock pot apple cider. And so this is really easy. There are definitely more complicated versions of this, but I wanted one that was going to be very few ingredients, really easy for anybody in your family to help you with. And then my main thing with apple cider is I want it to taste good, and then I want it to make the house smell good. So you definitely can do this with like real apples and like strain everything through a mesh strainer and all that, but we're just gonna do it with 3 ingredients. And so I bought some apple cider from the store, some cinnamon sticks, and some ground cloves. In the original recipe I found, you're gonna use a gallon of apple cider, 3 cinnamon sticks, and then a teaspoon of ground cloves. I'm gonna do half of that, so I have 2 quarts of apple cider, and I'm just going to pour that into my crock pot. I'm making a mess. Let's see if I can lower it for you guys to see. And then I'm actually going to put 2 cinnamon sticks in there, and then we're going to do a half a teaspoon of ground cloves. And I'll mix that up, and then I'll cover it and just let it cook for an hour or 2, and then it'll be warm, and you can kind of drink it and you leave it, and it makes your house smell good. Keep it warm throughout the day, and then everybody can kind of just grab it as they want it. I hope you guys enjoy.